What's up, guys? It's me again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get games for free. Now, this should be a quick video, like quick. Now, the first thing you want to do, like, for example, say if you want to get Minecraft, look this up. Hold on, guys. I'm waiting for the keyboard. Okay, look up Minecraft APK. You can either go to this one, or you can get this one. This is the new one, 1.2.8.0. So you go to that. Wait, it says paid download. This is all the updates of Minecraft. This is the first version. And then you press download. I'm not going to download it because it won't work. Or this one is not going to work. But there's a website that I know that you can use. So type in it's application monk. APK monk. And then Minecraft. So you go to the second one, I think. Well, I'll just go to the first one. Yep, just go to this one. And then I suggest you type download application. I don't know if this will be the following one. Hold on, I'm going to go to Minecraft and check the following one. But this is the one you should choose. I'm going to go check the following Minecraft update. My Minecraft doesn't work. I have to use I'm waiting for it to load. So it's almost there. Just ignore that. Come on, I have to finish my video. Okay, this one is 1.2.8. So, okay. Okay, just to say, it says signing into Xbox Live. I am signed into Xbox Live. It doesn't hurt to show you guys some things. Just to say, I have made a video where I played servers. So that's gonna be a part of my video today. So some people may be wondering why you can't sign in Xbox Live onto Minecraft Pocket Edition. I'm using Toolbox for mcpe. You should use that instead of this. On this, I don't have a license because my Lucky Patrick won't work. So yeah, so I showed you how to download Minecraft 1.2.8. Make sure that's the update. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe. I am low on subscribers. I have 3 only. So please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.